satellite data from the European Space Agency. I will be downloading Sentinel-2 data. This is the data browser. Once in, you'll have to log in or register. Go to the search. I'm looking for Sentinel-2 data. Let's say level 2A. There are other filters I can run here, like the satellite platform or orbit number or whatever. You can select to download any kind of auxiliary data file. And here I will be looking, let's put on the map the place I want to look. And let's say we're looking for November 2017 from the 1st to the 15th. I run the search. Once it's found, you can see that the tiles are marked on the screen. Once I select the tile using my mouse, I can download, like in this case I have two appropriate images or ones that meet my criteria for search, and I can simply download it or add it to my workspace. Get the info, visualize it on the map. Here it is. But we met here for downloading, so let's just simply download it. Takes some time. Once the internal process is finished, downloading window like this is open. I simply save it wherever I want to save it. It's downloaded as a zip file, and like any other zip file, in it there's a folder with the data strip. Here it is. And here are the images themselves. That's the path. Quite long, but here it is.